We had a great ride today, but it's time to give Luciano a hand. His motor came from Texas. It's at the truck company. We're going to head on out and see if we can rescue it. So in the time since we got back from our ride, it's rained quite a bit. You can see and Luciano's getting ready to come out. We're going to go get that motor for his Ninja project. Luciano's great GPS. We never get lost. Where are we, Luciano?
Not yet.
Where the hell are we?
I have no idea.
Somewhere on this street is going to be Dell Avenue, and they got a Kawasaki motor. Maybe they gave you a ZX10 motor by mistake.
Come on.
Wow. I'm telling you, I'll have to get one of those modern phones. We can't get into the place. Apparently we're on the terrorist watch list. So this is pretty cool. Nobody answers the phone, nobody opens the gate. Luciano's gonna have to go in and I don't know, give him a John Gotti here. You gotta know these are all union truckers or something here too. Okay, the sign says Monday to Friday, 9 to 6. And on the Ferrari watch, it's, well, we're an hour and a half early. But I don't know what we gotta do. Luciano's in there. I hear him cursing in Italian. You can't make this up. I hear him talking to the guy, and the guy that's supposed to open the gate, who isn't here, said to Luciano, I just bought a GSXR. Oh, maybe we can rob this place while we're here. That's a story.
He's gonna open the gate.
He's gonna open the gate, yeah.
After you check my fingerprints and my footprints and the clear underwear.
Did you tell him you have a gun? That gets the gate open in a hurry. Holy Christ, I'll tell you, it's great being in the mafia. Organized crime is so good. Look at this, you just tell them you know Luciano and they open the door to the Kawasaki factory. Oh.
We gotta go in the back.
Come on baby, let's go get that Kawasaki engine. Everything you do with Luciano is an adventure, it's never easy. The secret location where they deal, look at that, hey, your engine's in a dumpster. Look at that, somebody put it in a dumpster. They must have thought it was junk.
Oh, there's the ramp.
Oh my God! Hey, baby, that's your engine. There it is, baby. Wow! You get a free rug. Hey, I could use one of those rugs in my garage.
Free rug.
You get free rugs when you buy a Kawasaki engine. So basically, Luciano and I are in this abandoned warehouse full of stuff with a 750 Kawasaki engine sitting here. They're at the Kawasaki factory where all things are possible. This really turned into an adventure, unbelievable. But we got the motor. There's the baby. There's that. So this is actually part 2 of this 750 restoration. Everything Luciano and I ever do turns into an adventure. It's unbelievable. How great is this? Was that a good adventure or what? Okay,
Sure was.
Take me for dinner. I need a steak dinner now. Well, if the truth were known, every one of these motorcycles has been an adventure. Every one of them. There's memories. I don't know. You can't make a lot of this stuff up. But anyway, we got the motor, and that's going to be part 2 of the restoration of the ZX750R. Hope you enjoyed joining the mafia here, and thanks for watching.